everybody, back again with another reaction. This time, My Hero Season 4, Episode 8. We got it this time, baby. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you end up wanting more, subscribe. If you want to talk to us, we have a Discord in the description and the channel banner. Let's get into it in 3, 2, 1, click. There we go. It started, bro. The spring of 3rd grade. All right, we're about to see oh.
Come on, man. We're not about to do this. Don't flashback me.
The moment we're about to get into everything, it's just flashback.
And you run into warehouse full blown and you thinking about 3rd grade, man. Come on, fam.
It's showing you Amajiki's rise to the top. Not very good at making friends, bro.
Mario showed up.
Exactly.
Watch.
Yeah, obviously.
Walk up to his desk.
That's
hysterical.
Yeah. You already knew. They're friends. They've been friends for a long time.
What are y'all doing?
They're fighting off mafia.
Oh,
guys.
I thought those were random civilians, bro.
No, those are all like the Shy Hasekai.
These guys don't even got gear on, you know? Oh no.
Yeah, they can't. It's because they can't like arrest them. They haven't done anything bad yet. Ready to hide or flee? Oh, wait, no. I don't know why I agreed with that. No. They're ready for a fight, bro. They should already know that they're going to be ready for a fight.
Alright, guys. Common sense. If I knew that you were coming to my crib, probably at least 10 to 20 minutes before. Oh!
Hey, they set like some small dude traps, okay?
Oh, yeah, man.
That's a solid quirk there, Ko.
It's really horrible.
She can make bubbles, Kel. It pops in your eye and it makes you all teary-eyed.
Season 5, man. I don't know. Am I really sitting at this wall right now, wasting?
Nah, Kirishima got it.
This is the highlight that y'all about to get, huh? Breaking through that cement wall. This is y'all highlight for the episode.
That's not the highlight for them. We just started out, bro. We just started out, bro.
Oh, we got the real one.
Oh! What?
Oh, my. Oh, my. Go the other way.
Oh,
Go the other way. Did he turn into the building?
He did. Holy shit. Iranaka. Okay.
Oh, they got venom in there.
Control them freely from within. Oh. Big enough boost.
Guys, warping reality.
He's warping the building, Cal. But really, that's some broken ass shit. Yeah, they'll never make it.
They're walking down the hallway. They're walking down the hallway, Q.
We could still pull through, Cal.
Strolling down the hallway. He said, bro, just pick her up. We could. Take your time. They probably got a Jeep at the end of the hallway.
We got plenty of time. But the fact that they're walking means we have plenty of time to get to them. They're underestimating us, Kel. And now he's about to just run off. But he can just go past it, though.
Right.
Yeah, he can just go all the way through it. So.
Well, he's taking this All Might persona a little bit too far. Man.
It's what All Might would do, Kel.
Right, All Might is All Might, man.
Even if he reaches him, he won't be able to do anything.
Absolutely not.
You don't know
Once
that.
it's over.
Oh. As long as Muriel can get there, he can slow them down. Enough.
And I forgot it. I knew this. So they dropped y'all down there just to get hands put on y'all.
They're going up against way too many
And they
pros,
still got the bullets. Get ahead of yourself, bro.
Listen, Kel, we're fine. You gotta stay positive in a situation like this. He's gonna take on those guys, bro. All by himself. He's gonna take on those three. Everybody else is still moving forward, okay? So.
Bro, get them out of here. Why did y'all follow anybody?
I don't even know what the police are doing, honestly.
Exactly. Y'all were meant to stay outside. It's about to get bad.
Oh, and they brought an inferior version of Ares quirk.
Wow.
Larceny crystallize food? What they need to be doing is getting going, because they're spending way too much time hanging around.
Mario is about to meet God at an early age.
Come on.
Oh my goodness.
See, Fat don't trust him, bro. Part of the big three. Go. Okay. See, easy, light work. Left at the top. No.
So listen to this puzzle, my guy. So listen to this puzzle, my guy. Q.
It's good, bro.
You got ahead of yourself.
Oh!
You're about to get hands put on you.
He had a knife in his mouth? Oh, yep, and their quirks are back.
Bruh.
Move anything his opponent is wearing to his own hand instantly. Throwing away our possessions and our lives. Oh, wow.
I'll tell you, bro. You are about to get hands put on you, young man.
He can do it.
I wish you had one of them.
Oh,
my goodness. Should have took BFS, man. Whew. Oh my God, he got punched into a flashback. Oh my Lord.
Shut up, Kel.
Oh, he's in the 8th grade now, Q. Look at that BFS.
Kel. He's got this. He's part of the big three.
Oh my God, bro.
He is good. He is as good as any pro.
He's looking at gym class like I should have took the Mr. Laps, man.
Look, that's how Mario used to be too. Okay. You're very good at controlling your quirk. But that's the point. They got better, Cal. It's the entire point of this flashback is to emphasize how good they are now.
You might as well just call my man.
No good. But that's the thing, bro. He is so powerful, but he is emotionally weak. That's the problem. But it don't matter.
It did matter.
It don't matter, bro. Because he's solid now.
He's solid now?
He's solid now.
So you about to win that 1v3?
Hey, guys. We're back. The recording software shut down while we were recording. And the audio shut down too. I restarted the recording software, but I didn't notice the audio was gone. So we're just gonna run it back. We watched the entire episode, but now we can give a more in-depth perspective on it. Starting at 1632. Even more amazing than the sun. Just has to have confidence in himself, Ko.
Suneater.
Suneater. I mean, come on. Look at Buddy. He's badass. Octopuses, pure muscle.
That explain.
Multiple layers of shell to protect from the crystal damage.
Back against the wall, let's see.
That man developed a badass quirk, Kel. You can't even lie about that.
Quirk is cool. But plot saved him. Hold on. Wait a minute. Plot takes effect about right there.
Nah.
Oh, no. They're not even as far as... Oh, yeah.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Remember,
Vast Hybrid.
Look at that shit, Kel.
Vast Hybrid. Okay.
Badass.
Intro to Vast Hybrid, man. Let's see where this goes.
If it weren't for that one food guy, it would have been dusted.
Oh, if there weren't for that one food guy, that is... Can't do that. Oh, wait a minute. Vast Hybrid?
Shut up, Kel.
Episode introduction? Gosh, it's sushi out there, folks.
This guy, oh my god. I gotta say, that probably does taste good though. Or if you cooked it, like crab plus octopus.
That guy's OP.
Dude who can eat anything.
That guy can literally just eat him and that'd be it.
Yeah. Requires him to eat though, bro. You have to get close enough to eat somebody. See, he blocked that shit with the shell. Easy.
Come on, Vast Hybrid. Well, you got the mask off, so I don't think it's Vast Hybrid.
I mean, yeah. See, he's thinking, Kel, at this point in time. Manifest the neurotoxin.
Thinking how he got from in the air into the floor, huh? Look at my guy. Every rib should be broken.
Kel, maybe he strengthened his
Look
ribs,
how hard the
bro.
wall is too, bro. We're not gonna act like that's not solid.
Maybe Kel, he solidified his ribs.
Okay, look at this. He's thinking Q. He is fully trashed. Can't even move.
He's got stuff going through his
pinned
mind
against the
right
wall
now.
like
He's
this.
got stuff going through his mind.
He is
Bro, you're such a hater.
He is in
Suneater's
limp mode
fucking
right
badass. I don't care what you say. Bro.
I didn't
He's
say
badass.
he wasn't. I didn't say he wasn't. I'm just saying he didn't win this. How it's supposed to win this.
How is he supposed to win?
He
How is he supposed to win
trash
it?
right here, man.
How is he supposed to win?
Not this way. Anyway, but this way. Because this is the way that doesn't make sense.
Why don't it make sense?
We'll see. I don't want to spoil it for anybody that's watching. I don't know if he's a Sun Eater, but
He's a Sun Eater. He trashed
look at
them.
his face.
3 of the 8, Kel. 3 of the fucking 8.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. You're telling me that he can eat that and digest that? And what? No.
That guy can eat and digest it too.
Oh, no. That guy can eat anything. He's known for it. That's what he does, okay? We're not, no.
You're a hater, Kel.
I'm not hating, bro. Come on, bro. Makes no sense. No sense. He ate it? Not possible.
He ate it.
Not
Kel.
possible at all.
Why not?
And then not only did he eat it, but he used it as a quirk. It doesn't make sense.
Why
bro.
doesn't it?
Now he can eat crystals. Q.
Yes, he just swallowed it. It was a small enough
And
part that he
and
didn't have to chew it.
Q, that was a whole long... Even if he bit the first part off, by the time he should have went straight through. Come on, man.
You don't get it,
We're
Kel.
not going to act like he ain't just getting failed out.
Shut up,
He
Kel.
was graced by the plot angel. She said, come here, baby. You're too young to die.
Hater.
Too young. He put up a good fight.
Hater. He just knocked
He got
3
bailed out.
of the
He
precepts.
just ate crystals.
You
got
have
away
to
with it.
admit that's badass.
He just ate crystals and got away with it.
I bet you nobody else here is going to rack up the same body count.
Doesn't matter. He got
Nobody
saved.
else is going to get 3 precepts,
He got
bro.
saved.
He did himself.
No, he didn't do it himself.
Yes, he did.
When did they say he can eat crystals? No, they said if he eats a food,
They said
he gets
if
that.
he eats something, he
No,
can
they didn't
exert
say-
its traits.
they
They never
didn't-
said specifically
They didn't
food.
say something.
They never
They
said
didn't say something.
food.
Because if that was the case, he'd have been eating all types of stuff. He's only been eating foods. First, you can't even chew a crystal.
He didn't need to chew it.
He didn't need to chew it.
He didn't need to chew it.
Come on.
It wasn't that big.
They said he had to digest it.
They never said he had to
They
digest
did
it
say he had
either.
to digest it. He don't just chew
Plus,
food in his mouth.
if his quirk allows him to eat stuff, don't you think he's better at digesting as well?
crystals, Q, come on now.
Why not?
We're not jumping from level 1 to 500. That doesn't make any sense.
Why not?
If it was a shell,
It's
or
not
something,
jumping from level 1. We don't know what he's capable of doing, Kel.
eating crystals. Crystals.
We got introduced to this man at level
Eating
500.
crystal. He's not level 500. Eating crystals.
Hater. The Rob of the group.
Like I said, I'm gonna eat the crystal. I don't like how the writers did that.
I don't
we gotta
like
have
how...
it. We got an after credit.
Whoa. We don't have an after credit scene, actually.
One of these days, I'm gonna go out and look at the ground, pick up the closest thing I see that looks like a crystal. I'm gonna eat that.
You can't, because you're not him.
I'm not.
He is obviously more adept to eating shit because of his quirk. Isn't that believable,
More
Kel?
adapt to eating shit. No. I mean, we eat stuff every day, Q.
But he eats stuff like chicken and
sushi.
bones and like
He doesn't eat bones.
crab and shit like
He
that.
doesn't eat bones. Come on, stop that. He eats chicken, the meat. Eats sushi. Eats squid.
You don't know, Kel. You don't know that man's
Eats
life.
squid.
You do not know the man's
He
life.
doesn't have any.
Whatever. Anyways, done with your hater ass.
What am I
Thank
hating?
you guys.
Because it doesn't make
I'm
sense.
Afro.
I am the rock eater.
Blues. We'll see you guys next time.